Hello guys, and welcome to Al Makras Repair Center. We're gonna walk a little bit further inside the garage and then you will see what we're working on. So basically the first one is a Nissan Skyline R34. That's Toyota Supra Mark IV. Another Skyline R32 in silver. Another Skyline R32. Another Skyline R34. Another Supra Mark IV. It's a beautiful car. Another Skyline R34. Another Skyline R33. Another Silvia for spray. So these are the lovely cars. We're working on them. As usual guys, we keep you updated. We're posting some nice reels for those lovely cars. And